Hello viewers, welcome to the Betikrame Tech YouTube channel. In our industry, one of the safety valve was not working properly. In normal pressure condition, the steam was passing, so we opened, that means dismantled the safety valve, and we found that it's inside high pressure spring which is broken. In our store and section, no spare spring is available, so we tried to weld the spring to repair the safety valve. At first, the spring is set at the right position, and then by the grinder unit grinded its some portion and then welded. At the time of welding, it is seen that the welding is perfectly done, and at the time of welding we tested the proper metallic rod, welding rod, which is used, and after welding we saw that the spring function is okay. Here the safety valve is used, its operating pressure is likely 35 to 36 bar, and after welding by the grinding machine we prepared the spring in the right way, and when the welding is okay, we inserted this spring into our safety valve and then connected all its outer side spare parts and the dismantling items. And after connecting all the spares, after welding the spring, we tested the safety valve by applying 37 bar pressure. When the pressure is set to the safety valve, we found that it is working properly. I think when we connect this safety valve to our plant, it will function okay. Now this is the spring, and in this way we repaired the spring. This is our safety valve. We opened its all spring. This is upper part, and this is the manufacturer nameplate, you see, and here is its specification, and inside this safety valve you see this is its seat and plug. Everything is okay. We cleaned this after opening, and we found that all these things are okay. Only the spring is broken, so we repaired the spring, and also in future we will procure this spring and then again replace this spring. Here is two spring inside this safety valve, and all the things we cleaned. This is also a equipment. Spring is finishing works done by hand grinder. In this way we repaired this safety valve. and finally we installed this safety valve in our plant. Release দেওয়া না নরমাল লাগানো অ্যাডজাস্ট কি রেঞ্জের?
জি স্যার।
কত কেজি সেট করা হয়েছে?
আমরা বলা 35 করছি, এরপরে 37.5, এরপরে 38 স্যার, তিনবার।
এখন কত সেট?
37.5
37.5 আছে।